It's beginning to look a lot like Christmas. What's up, Bougie babes? It's your girl, Suzie B, back again with another video. And today, we're going to be doing this fun Christmas look. It kind of looks like a strawberry, but it was supposed to be like Christmas or something. I don't know. Get into it. Yep, so if you're interested in seeing how I achieve this look, please keep on watching. And disclaimer, this is a voiceover video. I don't do very many voiceover videos, but I needed to concentrate on this look because I didn't really know what I was doing, so I needed to concentrate. So it's a voiceover, I know. But if y'all like voiceovers, let me know. And yeah, everybody have been tagging me in Christmas looks, like, Kia, do this Christmas look, Suzie, do this Christmas look, Brushwork, do this. I'm like, I got y'all. So I hopped out, know what I'm talking about, how I do when I do it, know what I'm saying. Anyways. Yeah, if you're interested in getting this look, keep on watching. So I'm going in, powdering all the places that I concealed. I'm using my Glam Galore powder in number 3. It's a tinted translucent powder, or a tinted powder. And I dust away the powder off of my nose and my chin area, and I leave the powder underneath my eye to catch any fallout from these high pigmented shadows we're about to use. So we're going in first from the box of crayons palette, and it's a red color, obviously. See, this is why I don't like voiceovers, because I'm telling y'all stuff y'all can see. Clearly it is red. But anyways, I am just stamping that on my eye and blending as I go. I want high intensity on the color, so I pack. Here I'm taking a makeup wipe and just cutting my crease with it. I know I showed y'all the Vaseline method before, but honey, I don't know my Vaseline at, and I ain't got time. So I use a makeup wipe to clean it off, so that we can have a clean, crisp line. Now I'm going in with the NYX concealer. I don't know what that color is called. I think it's just called white, but it's literally a white concealer. And I'm just using that as a base because we're going to be applying a white color on our lid. I'm sitting here trying to figure out how I want to do this liner, because I know I want to do a colored liner, but I'm like, okay, bro, like how I'm gonna do this? Like, how I'm gonna break this? How I'm gonna make this work? You see me deep in thought? Ew, girl, what is you doing? Okay, so I guess I figured it out. So I took the makeup wipe and kind of cut my liner out. In hindsight, when I'm looking at it, I could have actually brought that line closer in. You'll see what I'm talking about. It turned out fine, but still. You know how you do stuff and then you look at it and you're like, oh, I could have did something different. Sis still thinking. Get it together, honey. So now I'm just sharpening that line with this white so that when I do apply the color there, it is already mapped out for me, basically. I don't know if I'm necessarily feeling the hair. So anyways, this is the completed look. I feel like a watermelon or something. I don't know. What is the... I don't know. Is she giving y'all Christmas vibes? Get into the Christmas spirit. You know, you got the red and the green. I don't know. Anyways, these lashes are from House of Mac Daddy. I will tag her information down below. This wig is from my hairline, Luxe Hair Teak by Suzie Bougie. This is a 22-inch closure unit. I will insert a picture when she was laid to perfection, honey. I don't have the time and the energy to do that on a daily basis. So I just like plop them on and go. But anyways, it's 22 inches, 3.5 bundles, and a closure of wavy, unprocessed, raw, virgin Indian hair. If you're interested in getting a custom unit made, custom means that I use your head measurement so that you do not have to glue the wig down if you don't want to. Please hit my inbox or go to the website, which will also be in the description box below. I hope y'all enjoyed this video. I hope it gets you in the Christmas spirit because Christmas is next week. Did y'all finish y'all shopping? Comment down below if you finished your shopping. I did not. But y'all comment down below. Let me know if y'all finished y'all shopping. What y'all get y'all mamas and everything like that. Y'all daddies, all that. Please make sure that you like this video. Comment down below. Share the video with your friends, subscribe to my channel, hit the bell notification, click all so that you'll be notified every time that I upload. Let me know what you'd like to see from me next. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you. Bye. Oh, that was aggressive. Thank you. Bye. Merry Christmas.